Good morning. Happy Sunday. I've got your 10 minutes of good core energy today. It is March 7th. You guys ready? Okay, good. So we're gonna start off with a bang today, and then we're gonna end up with some side lying hip work, okay? And finish it off with the flutter. You ready? Okay, good. So we're gonna start off on all fours. It's Sunday morning. I've got a little bit of music playing here today. I don't know if you can hear that, okay? So just shake out those hips a little bit. And do some circles here, left. A couple left and a couple right. All right, that's called stir the pot. I love that. Let's tuck those toes under and go plank to pike for 1 minute. Ready? Inhale, plank. Exhale, pike. Breathing in through the nose, right? Exhale, pike up. So it's inhale, looking in the distance. Exhale, looking down at the toes. Inhale, breathe. Exhale. Every time you exhale, remember you're drawing the abdominals in nice and tight. Breathing in, plank. Exhale, scoop up, you're halfway. Nice and easy. Plank to pike. Balls at the feet. Try to get those heels on the mat. Inhale, plank. Exhale, pike. Let's do 3 more. Hold it up. Get my timer going today. 2. And last one. Inhale, plank. Exhale, pike. Good. Knees down, child's pose. Tuck the fingers under, like make a little fist to give your wrists a break. You're gonna need it. All right, next one, you're gonna come up to the plank. Now just 30 seconds. You're gonna press that left leg strong and lift the right leg up. Ready? Here we go. Woo! Yes, you can, you've got this. Just 30 seconds each leg. You can do it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, switch. Up. Really focus on that strong right leg now. Squeezing tight, looking a little bit beyond the fingertips. Take some deep breaths in and out. Woo! How you doing? 10 more. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knees down, child's pose. Great job, guys. Woo! Okay. Draw the fingers in a little bit, make a fist again. Okay, we're gonna go to plank jacks. Ready? So this is, you could do it this way. All right, nice and low impact. Or you could just jack it out. 1 minute. Yeah, just plank jacks, getting the energy going this morning. You only have 40 more seconds. Come on, you've got this. Slow it down with just like a step out side to side. All right, or jack it out. Woo, your choice. You got this. Let's do 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. Take a little breather, make a fist. Side to side stretch. Awesome job, guys. We only have 1 more plank for the day. We're gonna do forearm plank, hip dips. So you alternate your hips. Okay, here we go. Forearm plank. Fingertips, elbows under the knees. Fingertips in front of the elbows. And you're gonna drop left hip, right hip. 1 minute. Left, right. Left, right. Left, right. You've got this. Left, center, right, center. Left, center, right, center. Let's pick up our pace. Left, right, just twist. Can you keep your feet together? Can you keep your knees together? Woo! Remember, don't drop your head. You're not looking through the legs, you're looking beyond the fingertips a little bit. 10 more. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and last 1. Great work. Take a little break. Now we're going to do that sideline hip work. So I'm going to lay on my left side, and we're going to do the clam. Instead of just knees to chest, instead of just the one knee coming up into the ceiling, okay, I'm going to ask, well, you can do it this way, okay? I'm going to move down a little bit so you can see me. The goal with this exercise is that your hips are perpendicular to the mat, okay? That's where you get your core, your side line. So draw the tummy in. Now, I'm going to challenge you to lift your feet up in the air. And when you bring the knee to the ceiling, your feet try to stay still, right? They're still fixed in space. All right? Good. You've got 1 minute of these. All right, so we're working on the side of the butt today. Right now, you've got 50 seconds left. You can stay here with your elbow up just like this, or you can drop your head on the mat, whatever you feel comfortable, okay? All right, nice job. Checking my watch and my timer that I've got going on today. You've got about 30 more seconds. Doing great. Nice. Nobody likes to do these, but I tell you what, they are really good for you. Got to tap into that side glute strength. Trust me. Used to be a weakness of mine, and it can really create some problems. Okay, good. 5 more. 4, 3, 2, and last 1. Okay, bring it down. Prop yourself up on the elbow. Okay. Now you're going to sweep that top leg. I'm on my right leg. Can you see me? And I'm just going to lift and lower. Now listen, get your game face on. You have 1 minute. You're trying to keep your hips still perpendicular to the mat, but it's not easy. Okay, so can you see me? I'm going to go this way a little bit. I'm trying to keep my leg as close to like this. I'm trying to create a 90-degree angle from my chest to my leg as best I can, and best so that you can see the camera here. I mean that I can be in the camera and you can see me. All right, now don't cave down, lift up. So you're using the obliques here underneath. Good. This is hard, just fight through it. All right, got about 25 seconds. Can you believe how long this minute is? And I'm sinking down in that elbow, so I'm gonna prop myself back up. I'm trying to hold steady here. The core muscles are wrapping around like a little corset. I know. Woo! 10, 9, pick up your pace. 8, 7, 6, hello. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Change sides. Okay. So you're propped up on the elbow, or not. You can lie down on the mat, right? Let's center ourselves so my hips are perpendicular. Knees to chest, feet up, and opening up. All right, here we go. 1 minute there. Good. This is one of those ones like, you know, you just kind of go to your happy place or think about your good things going on in your life, right? Don't worry about your to-do list. Do you have a to-do list today? I don't know, it's a Sunday. I definitely do. I took a little bit of time off yesterday afternoon. I went on a nice beach hike up at Cranes Beach, which is a beach really close to us. Oh my God, it was so beautiful. It is cold. Don't get me wrong. I was like layered up. I felt like I was going skiing. But it was beautiful once I got out there. That's the thing. Somebody once told me about winter weather. It's not ever too cold. You just might not have the right gear. Isn't that a funny way to look at it? Like, talk about preparing and changing that outlook. Instead of saying it's too cold and that's miserable, you just say, well, it's cold and I'm going to prepare for it and I'm going to be okay, you know? It's funny. All right, 10 more. 9. 8. Remember, you're going to open and you're going to squeeze. 6. Fight through it. You've got this. 5, 4, 3, 2, and last 1. All right, let's prop up here. Bring that leg forward. Ready? Try not to sink down. Really lift up, up. Nice. So again, side lying hip work. You are still building core because you've got to hold yourself really kind of balance here without falling backward or falling too forward and down, right? Yep, that's why you push the elbow into the mat a little bit. And this is one of those ones, this is difficult for everybody, okay? This is one of those ones you just have to get through it. You're halfway through your minute. All right? So trust me on that one. This is a really good one. It's a really good one to incorporate in your day. Let me see what else we have here. You guys are psyched. We're going to one leg circle and then the flutter. One leg circle each side. Okay, so that'll feel really good to stretch out. 10 more. Pick up your pace. 9. Oh, I sunk down. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sweep it back. Okay, we're gonna lie down. This is your reward for working so hard. Scissor the legs. Okay, press the left leg into the mat. And you're just gonna take that right leg and you're gonna go clockwise or to the right, out and around. Now, Pilates will say again, keep your hips as steady as you possibly can. You're gonna go to the imprint, try to go to the imprint because one leg is in the air. Okay, so draw the abdominals in to keep it steady. Then your breathing pattern is inhale, half of the circle, and exhale, the other half. When you get back to the beginning, you stop on the dime. And that little stop is a contraction and building core strength. All right, here we go. Let me see, 1 minute. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe out. Good. Oh, it's 1 minute, I'm sorry, but it's 30 seconds one direction, 30 seconds the other direction. Is that cool? Is that okay with you guys? How you doing? This should feel really, really good. This is so good for your hips, especially on a cold day. 1 more to the right, and let's go left. Now again, you're crossing the middle end of the body. Inhale, exhale, other side. I'm pointing the toe and I'm stopping right where I started. Inhale and exhale. So hold on to the hips here with your hands. No worries, very good idea to do that. Breathe in, breathe out, stop. Breathe in, breathe out, stop. You just have like 3 more. Woo! And if your hips are wobbly and moving around, reduce your range of motion. Okay, the left leg to the left, counterclockwise. Here we go. Out and around. Inhale and exhale. Good. Breathe in. It's actually more like a soft exhale when you exhale. So it's inhale and like that in Pilates. Like you're blowing the birthday candles. 1 more to the left. All right, let's go to the right. Just keep your breathing. If you forget like the inhale, half the way, exhale the other half, and then stop, don't worry about it. I mean, just keep breathing. The most important thing is that hopefully you're still with me on this workout, on this 10-minute journey. Now again, I'm drawing the abdominals in. I'm trying to keep my hips from moving. 2 more. Whew. 1 more. You can do this in neutral if any of those experienced Pilates people are watching, but I would not recommend it. Okay, here we go. Flutter. So I'm going to bring my arms down, pick up my bum, and put my bum on my hands. Imprint. 1 leg up, the other leg up. Now, this is your flutter, okay? So you can keep your head down, or you can just pick up your head and lift up. Again, shoulders off the mat, looking at the corner of the room. That's the goal. And you keep kicking. If you can, we're gonna come low, okay? And I'm really off that mat. My shoulder blades are really, really lifting. Oh, my timer left me. Let me see the 1 minute. Okay, ready? Got that. Can you guys hear 𝐼𝐻𝐸𝐿𝐦𝐞𝐬𝐭𝐚𝐦𝐩𝐬? It's really hard to figure out like the whole videoing. You know, hopefully you can see me okay. Cleared up my studio here. I only have 2 reformers left. But that's okay. Still working, so I'm grateful for that. Ooh. We've got about 20 seconds left. Now again, if you want to just lift the legs up a little bit, that's fine. If you want to bring your head down, this is still really good core. Oh yeah it is. Oh baby. Oh, I love that. Okay, now 10 more seconds. You can stay here, or you can put your hands behind your head, elbows wide. You can curl up this way. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, shoulders up, 3, 2, 1. Hug those knees to chest, guys. Rock a little side to side. Let's sit up nice and tall. Great. And then we're gonna end with a forward fold. All right, so it looks like this. Legs are long. Inhale, up. And when you stretch forward, you exhale, draw the abdominals in. And just stretch. Pedal out your feet here. So can you see my feet there? This feels really good. If you could touch your toes, you're gonna pedal out the feet. So you just push one foot away and the other. Okay? Good, breathing in. Reach as far as you can. So if you've got ankles or shins, whatever it is, you're just stretching the back. And move your head around a little bit. Say no and yes. Lift up nice and tall. Look over one shoulder and the other. Great job. You are done for the day. Sunday, March 7th. Great job. Proud of you guys. Bye.